So now let us see how we can insert and work with table of contents inside of Google Docs document. So over here in the previous lesson, we already made an outline right here. And if you haven't seen it already, you might want to view it because you need the outline first so that you can generate a table of content. So now all the headings and everything has been formatted. So I'm just going to go on to the top, keep my cursor over here and press Control Enter so that it goes on to the next page. And over here on the top, I'm going to click on Insert and then I'm going to click on Table of Contents. And over here, I'm going to click on with page numbers. So now what you see is you got the heading right here that is according to these headings right here. That's heading 1 and there's title. And they are linked up right over here. So now there's page number 2 right here, there's page number 3 and so forth as you can see. So you can go over here and make changes. Let's say, for example, I want to change the title section right here. I can say title edited just like this. And then in order to update it there, I can simply go over here and click on this button, which updates the table of content just like that. Another table of content you have is the link table of contents. So if you were to press on Insert and Table of Content, click on this, you can see that there's hyperlink right here. So now what it is it just links out to the other pages right here. So there's two types of table of contents that you can work with. So you want an interactive one or you want a traditional one, it is up to you. And that is how you can insert and work with table of contents inside of Google Docs document. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.